Good morning, this is Avni, your tech host for today, and welcome to today's Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. Click the subscribe button to stay updated. A major security threat has been uncovered, affecting popular web browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Brave. It poses a risk to millions of users, prompting immediate action. The vulnerability is severe, enabling hackers to gain unauthorized access to computers. They can also inject malicious code into systems, potentially compromising confidential user data. This issue extends beyond web browsers and is related to a code used to render WebP images commonly employed in the background of web content. Google, Mozilla, and Microsoft have responded by releasing updates. Google Chrome version 116.0.5846.187 for Mac and Linux, Firefox versions 117.0.1, Firefox ESR 102.15.1, Firefox ESR 115.2.1, and Edge version 116.0.1938.81 address the vulnerability. The problem has already been exploited, raising significant concerns in the cybersecurity community and potential for a major event. The Indian government, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is soliciting help from startups and tech companies to create India's first quantum chip, intended for the world's fastest quantum computers. MeitY, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, has issued a document for shortlisting startups capable of quantum chip development, encompassing design and manufacturing. The selected company will serve as a collaborative development partner for the government. This move aligns with India's establishment of a Rs 6,000 crore national mission on quantum technologies in April, in collaboration with the US through a joint Indo-US quantum coordination mechanism. The government aims for comprehensive collaboration covering development, release process, deployment, and ongoing support, with the initial engagement lasting 3 years. Sony has unveiled an expansion of its PS Remote Play service, enabling console streaming on devices running Android TV OS. Users can pair a controller with their smartphone and stream games from a PlayStation console over a local network. The new application, named PS Remote Play, is exclusively available for devices running Android TV 12 or higher. It can stream both PS5 and PS4 consoles to Google TV and offers the ability to remotely awaken the console from sleep mode. To utilize the application, users need an Android TV OS 12 enabled TV or Chromecast with Google TV, a DualSense wireless controller or DualShock 4 wireless controller, and a PS5 or PS4 console with the latest system software. The Pokémon company and Niantic have launched Pokémon GO in Hindi, a popular mobile gaming application. Over 800 well-known Pokémon names will be renamed in Hindi as a part of this launch, marking a significant localization effort. Hindi is the first language to receive this treatment, with plans to expand to more languages in the future. Niantic is increasing its presence in India, aiming to organize more community days and foster player engagement. Niantic is also working on enhancing its Lightship platform for developers, which currently supports close to 100 games and developers. Reliance Jio is all set to launch Jio AirFiber on September 19, 2023, offering portable wireless internet service for homes and offices. Jio AirFiber provides remarkable speeds of up to 1.5 Gbps, ensuring seamless activities such as HD video streaming, online gaming, and video conferences. It distinguishes itself from traditional Jio fiber broadband by utilizing 5G technology and a line-of-sight communication with Jio towers. Jio AirFiber is compact, easy to set up, and utilizes true 5G with a personal Wi-Fi hotspot for ultra-high-speed internet access. The service includes parental control tools, Wi-Fi 6 support, integration with Jio set-top boxes, and improved network control. CMF by Nothing, a sub-brand of Nothing, is poised to unveil a range of budget-friendly tech products on September 26, expanding their product offerings. The core philosophy of Nothing revolves around democratizing good design, aiming to make it accessible to a broader audience. The initial product lineup includes a smartwatch, TWS, true wireless stereo earbuds, and various accessories. Leaks suggest that launch of a smartwatch, TWS earbuds, and a gallium nitride charger. The CMF Watch Pro is anticipated to be priced around rupees 4,500, while the Buds Pro could cost approximately rupees 3,500. The gallium nitride 65-watt fast charger is rumored to be priced at rupees 3,000. Xiaomi has introduced the Pick Me Up home pickup service in India, aimed at assisting customers and potential buyers with device repairs and trials. The service is accessible through the Xiaomi Service Plus app, offering features such as scheduling appointments, live chat support, service center location information, and warranty status checks. Users need to log into the application, provide device details, and initiate a service request. The service is priced at Rs 199 plus GST for pickup and Rs 99 plus GST for drop-off. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest technology news.
स्कैम 2003 जैसे हर्षद मेहता का स्कैम था। इस सीरीज के बारे में बात करते हैं जिसमें अब्दुल करीम तेलगी की हुई ये सीरीज से हमें पता चलता है कैसे एक फ्रूट सेलर बना है इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कैमर। उसने फ्रूट सेलिंग का काम बंद कर दिया और वो मुंबई चला गया। मुंबई में उसने ट्रैवल एजेंसी खोली और वो लोगों को कल भेजता था। ये चीज बहुत जल्दी पुलिस के सामने आ गई और उसे जेल में डाल दिया गया। उसकी वहां पे मुलाकात हुई राम रतन सोनी से। उसने आइडिया दी स्टैम्प पेपर के स्कैम के बारे में, बताया कि ये फैक्ट्री, आप इस फैक्ट्री को ले लोगे तो यहाँ पे आप इतने सारे प्रोडक्शन हाउस बना सकते हो। पूरे 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम कर दिया। ये 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम है। जब ये सामने आया तो 2001 में इनको जेल हो गई। इनकी जेल होने के बाद 2017 तक ये जेल के अंदर थे, उनकी डेथ हो गई वहाँ पे और ये सीरीज बाहर आ गई। तो आपको भी कैसी लगी सीरीज जरूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा। और जिन लोगों को स्कैम 2003 के बारे में शॉर्ट में जानना है तो इस वीडियो इनके साथ जरूर शेयर करिए। मिलते हैं नई वीडियो के साथ। फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर।